Last week was Doge, and this week is the godfather of cryptos. That's right, Bitcoin. Start the countdown. Welcome to the Investor Place Launchpad, where we take trending investment ideas and try to take them to the moon. I'm Head of Mission Control, Aaron Davis, and this week we're diving right back into the world of cryptocurrency and looking at the coin that started it all, Bitcoin. Before we dive in, we'd love to continue to grow our channel here at Investor Place, so feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with us here at the Launchpad. With all that out of the way, let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin and where it might take us. Created in 2008 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to be implemented and released as an open source software in 2009. While other examples of electronic transactions and forms of digital currency existed before Bitcoin, Bitcoin was the first decentralized digital currency, meaning there was no central bank to administrate said currency. The idea behind Bitcoin and subsequent cryptocurrencies is that the currency or coin can be sent from user to user without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are instead verified by a digital ledger called a blockchain. Over the past year, the value of the coin has seen what some may consider a nasty roller coaster ride, with one Bitcoin valued at a high of $63,503 in mid-April to a staggering drop to $29,807 on July 19th. A decline of $33,696. Yet in recent weeks, the coin has once again rebounded and up 30%. However, most importantly to note, while many saw the aforementioned drop as a sign to turn tail and run, the end-of-year value of Bitcoin in 2020 was at $29,374, meaning that even after the drop, Bitcoin still has yet to lose money in 2021. Even this past week saw Bitcoin topping around $50,000. This may be why many believe the coin to not be volatile despite the huge decline from its peak. But where to go from here? Investor Place contributor Mark Hawk examined the rise and fall and subsequent rise this past year and suggests that investors should now consider taking a small stake in either Bitcoin or Ethereum, the two largest cryptos. Almost all major brokerage firms allow you to buy these digital tokens. Some even allow cryptos to be bought on margin. You can also buy them directly and simply on Coinbase Global, which has much larger selection of cryptos. Hawk believes that Bitcoin will continue to recover and provide a good return over the next year, with experts believing that cryptocurrency is no longer in the adoption phase and now in a phase of acceptance, with many businesses and services taking the coin as a form of payment. Hawk sees the popularity of Bitcoin continuing to rise along with other cryptos. As the value of Bitcoin continues to rise, it's only natural the coin would be making headlines across the investment world. Nick Clarkson at Investor Place gathered some of the headlines to note as investors continue to debate the value of investing in Bitcoin. NPR covered some of the tougher rules that may be headed for cryptocurrencies, highlighting SEC Chair Gary Gensler's stance on the coin. According to NPR, the chairman denounced the lack of transparency and clear regulations in the crypto space and promised the commission will take action to protect investors, which is a key part of the agency's mission. This need for oversight that Gensler calls for was further illustrated in the Wall Street Journal's coverage of money managers racing to create the first U.S. Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. This stems from a statement from Gensler earlier this month where he said he would be receptive to ETFs that would trade in Bitcoin futures rather than cryptocurrency itself, as long as they follow stricter rules usually reserved for mutual funds. CNBC highlighted how United Wholesale Mortgage plans to accept cryptocurrency for home loans, a first in the national mortgage industry. Bitcoin also made headlines in the Pistons' acquisition of Cade Cunningham. According to the Detroit Times, the top pick for the 2021 draft received an endorsement deal from BlockFi, a financial services company that deals in cryptocurrency. This deal will, quote, pay the 19-year-old his endorsement signing bonus in Bitcoin in a BlockFi account. Finally, NBC5 On Your Side covered Jason Stewart, a Missouri mayor who wants to give each resident $1,000 in Bitcoin. The catch? They can't sell it. Stewart, mayor of Cool Valley, home to around 1,500 inhabitants, hopes to encourage his constituents to save, as many experts believe to see Bitcoin continue to grow. But what do you think? Has Bitcoin already reached its peak, or does it have further to climb? Should the SEC be adding regulations to Bitcoin? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. And most importantly, if anyone has any spare Bitcoins under the bed and wants to share, I'm more than willing to take them off your hands. Well, that's all we have from the Launchpad this week. If you're interested in the next big coin, be sure to check out Luke Lango's new free report, 3 Cryptos to Own in 2021. It's an amazing read and gives some great insight into the future of cryptocurrencies. The link is in the description. And if you'd like more insights like this, head on over to investorplace.com, where we will continue to watch for the crypto trends like Bitcoin. And as always, try to shoot for the moon.